Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you an ultimate guide to moving to Luxembourg for work. This guide is created for those searching for better opportunities abroad who may be looking at Luxembourg for a better life for themselves and their families. With average annual salaries close to 75,000 euros and lesser language barriers in popular cities, Luxembourg could just be the best place to move right now. This video will guide you through the entire process of moving to Luxembourg for work, everything you need to know about work permits, housing, taxes, and the overall cost of living is covered, making it an essential resource for anyone considering a move. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Now, why should you choose Luxembourg? Luxembourg presents a compelling destination for foreign workers, offering a unique blend of economic opportunity and high quality of life. Here's a breakdown of the key reasons, starting with the high quality of life. Luxembourg consistently ranks high in global quality of life indices. This is due to factors like excellent healthcare, well-maintained public services, and a strong emphasis on work-life balance. The country offers a clean and safe environment with access to green spaces and cultural amenities. It also has a very high standard of living, reflected in the general wealth of the population. It is, after all, known as the richest country in the world. Next comes the economic prosperity and job opportunities available. Luxembourg boasts a robust and diversified economy, particularly strong in finance, technology, and international institutions. This translates to ample job opportunities for skilled professionals with competitive salaries. In fact, the salaries offered in Luxembourg are currently the highest in Europe, and comparatively the taxes are quite low at 8 to 25%. The country's strategic location in the heart of Europe also provides access to a wider European job market. It's a hub for the financial sector and is becoming a strong location for technology-based businesses as well. Next comes stability and safety. Luxembourg is known for its political and economic stability, providing a secure environment for residents. This country has a low crime rate, contributing to a sense of safety and well-being. The country is also well connected to other major European cities. Coming to the life in Luxembourg, living in Luxembourg presents a unique experience characterized by a blend of internationalism, high living standards, and a rich cultural heritage. Here's a closer look at the key aspects, starting with the cost of living. Housing is generally expensive, especially in popular cities like Luxembourg City. Rental and purchase prices can be significantly higher compared to its neighboring countries. Factors influencing costs include location, size, and property type. The average monthly rent in Luxembourg City is around 1,500 to 2,700 euros depending on the type of accommodation and the location. Transportation comes next. A significant advantage is that public transportation is completely free throughout the country, even for tourists. This greatly reduces daily commuting costs. However, owning a car can still incur expenses for fuel, insurance, and maintenance. Food comes next. Groceries and dining out can be relatively pricey. Imported goods are common, which can contribute to higher costs. However, local markets and supermarkets offer a range of options to suit different budgets. Coming to the culture and lifestyle, starting with the diversity Luxembourg offers, Luxembourg is a highly multicultural society with a large percentage of foreign residents. This creates a vibrant and diverse atmosphere. You'll encounter people from various nationalities, contributing to a rich cultural exchange. Social atmosphere comes next. The country offers a relaxed and safe environment with low crime rates. There is a strong emphasis on work-life balance, allowing residents to enjoy leisure activities. Cultural events, festivals, and outdoor activities are readily available. Now coming to the language and communication challenges, starting with multilingualism. Luxembourg has 3 official languages: Luxembourgish, French, and German. Luxembourgish is the national language, whereas French is widely used in administration and businesses, and German is prevalent in media and commerce. English is also widely spoken, particularly in the business sector, due to the country's international nature. Communication comes next. While English can be helpful, learning some French or German can greatly enhance your integration. Attempting to learn Luxembourgish, even basic phrases, is highly appreciated by locals. The multilingual nature of the country can be a challenge, but also a great opportunity to expand language skills. In essence, Luxembourg offers a high quality of life, but it comes at a cost. The country's diverse culture and multilingual environment create a unique and enriching experience. Now the important part, which is moving to Luxembourg for work purposes. Moving to Luxembourg for work involves navigating work visas and residency procedures, understanding the job market, and effectively searching for employment. Here's a breakdown of the key considerations. The first part is obtaining a work visa and residency permit. For EU and EEA citizens, citizens of EU and EEA countries and Switzerland have a right to live and work in Luxembourg without a work permit. However, they must still register their presence with the local authorities. Coming to non-EU and EEA citizens, non-EU and EEA citizens generally require a work visa and a residency permit. The process typically involves securing a job offer from a Luxembourg-based employer. The employer may need to demonstrate that the position cannot be filled by an EU citizen. Next comes applying for a temporary authorization to stay, and then applying for a long stay visa, which is a type D visa at the Luxembourg embassy or consulate in your home country. Upon arrival, you'll have to register with the local commune and apply for a residency permit. Coming to EU blue card holders, highly qualified professionals may be eligible for the EU Blue Card, which simplifies the process. This involves degree holders getting a job offer with a certain income threshold. Coming to the job market in Luxembourg, starting with the popular industries, finance comes first, as Luxembourg is a major financial center with numerous banks, investment funds, and insurance companies. Technology comes next. The tech sector is growing with opportunities in areas like fintech, cybersecurity, and data science. European institutions come next. Many European Union institutions are located in Luxembourg, offering employment opportunities. Some other popular ones with constant vacancies are logistics and professional services as well. Coming to skills in demand, the skills in demand in Luxembourg start with financial expertise, IT skills, particularly in cybersecurity and data analysis, multilingualism with French, German, and English being highly valued, and lastly, engineering. Coming to finding a job in Luxembourg, you can start with recruitment agencies. Several recruitment agencies specialize in placing foreign professionals in Luxembourg. Some genuine ones are LHH, Robert Half, Kia Recruitment, INS Global, and Sophietex Talent. Each of them have their own area of expertise and cater to multiple job boards. Coming to online job boards, these are LinkedIn, Indeed, and jobs.lu. Networking comes next. You'll have to attend industry events and connect with professionals in your field. Lastly, ADEM, which is the national employment agency that can provide assistance with job searching. Setting up life in Luxembourg after you land involves several key steps, from finding a place to live to arranging essential services. Here's a breakdown of what you need to know. Starting with finding accommodation, your rental market in Luxembourg, especially in Luxembourg City, can be competitive. Online portals and real estate agencies are the primary sources for finding apartments and houses. Be prepared for relatively high rental prices due to the limited supply. It's common to provide a deposit and proof of income for this. Your key considerations would be your location, consider your commute to work and access to amenities, your budget, determine your maximum rental budget, and your contract. Carefully review the rental contract before signing to make sure of everything that's included, for example, utilities or internet, etc. Next comes setting up utilities and banking. Starting with utilities, electricity, water, and gas services typically require setting up an account with the respective providers. Internet and telecommunication services are widely available from various providers. Next, we move on to banking. Opening a bank account in Luxembourg is relatively straightforward because there are so many banks and financial institutions in Luxembourg. You typically need to provide proof of identity and residency. Many international banks operate in Luxembourg, offering a wide range of services. Healthcare and insurance comes next. Starting with the healthcare system, Luxembourg has a high-quality healthcare system that combines public and private healthcare. The public healthcare system is funded through social security contributions and so is completely free to the public. Private health insurance is also available for those seeking additional coverage. Social security comes next. If you're employed in Luxembourg, you'll be automatically enrolled in the social security system. This system provides coverage for healthcare, pensions, and other social benefits as well. To truly thrive in Luxembourg, it's about more than just having a job, it's about integrating into the society. Here are some key tips for success. Starting with language proficiency, Luxembourg's linguistic landscape is unique. While English is often used in business, making an effort with the official languages is crucial. Prioritize learning French as it's widely used in administration and daily life. Next comes networking and relationship building. By joining communities and organizations, Luxembourg has a thriving expat community. You can join clubs, associations, and networking groups related to your interests or profession. You can attend industry events, conferences, and social gatherings. Also, online platforms like LinkedIn are valuable for connecting with professionals. You can also build your local connections. Don't just stick to expat circles. Make an effort to connect with local Luxembourgers, attend local events and festivals, and engage in community activities. Next comes your cultural adaptation. You need to respect the local customs and learn about Luxembourgish customs and traditions, understand the importance of work-life balance in Luxembourgish culture, embrace diversity as Luxembourg is a very national country, be open to different cultures and perspectives. You'll have to also be adaptable as Luxembourg can have a very calm and ordered feel to it. Be prepared to adapt to that pace. Be ready to adapt to changing situations as the country is constantly evolving. By focusing on language, networking, and cultural adaptation, you can create a fulfilling and successful experience in Luxembourg. Alright guys, so that was a complete guide on moving to Luxembourg. For more immigration tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your application.